Welcome to the channel Everyday English Talk.
Hi everyone, and hello Lisa.
Hello, Jake, and hello to all our amazing listeners around the world.
It feels great to be back again on our English learning journey.
Yes, absolutely. And today we have a very useful topic for daily life.
Oh, that sounds interesting. What is the topic?
Today we are talking about future plans in English.
Nice. I love talking about the future because the future is always exciting.
Exactly. And expressing future plans is very important in everyday conversations.
Yes, because we all have goals, dreams, ideas, plans, and hope for something better in the future.
That's right. So today we will practice different natural sentences that we use when we talk about what we want to do later in life.
Great. So, where do we start?
Let's start with a simple and very common structure. I'm going to.
Yes, I'm going to is perfect when the plan is already decided.
For example, I'm going to learn Spanish next year.
Or I'm going to find a better job soon.
Ha, 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 ha. Yes, that sounds like a great plan.
It is. And what about you, Lisa? What are you going to do next year?
I'm going to travel more. I want to explore new countries and learn about different cultures.
Wow, that's amazing. Where are you going to travel?
I'm thinking about visiting Japan and Italy. These two countries are on my wish list.
Beautiful choices. The food in Italy is delicious, and Japan has a unique mix of tradition and technology.
Absolutely. And see, you just heard another phrase I used, I'm thinking about.
Yes, I'm thinking about is great when you are still considering your plans, not 100% sure.
Exactly. So listeners, you can say, I'm thinking about starting a YouTube channel, or I'm thinking about trying a new hobby.
Lisa, maybe many of our listeners are thinking about improving their English, ha ha ha.
That is a wonderful plan, and we are here to help.
So we already learned two phrases I'm going to, and I'm thinking about.
Yes, and now let's look at I will.
I will is often used for decisions we make in the moment.
Like when someone says, are you free tomorrow? And you answer, yes, I will come with you.
Or when someone asks, what will you eat? And you say, I will have pizza.
Pizza again. Jake, ha ha ha.
Sorry, pizza is my future plan every day.
Ha 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 ha. That's a funny plan, but it's still a plan.
So I will is also useful when we promise something. For example, I will help you with your homework.
And also, I will call you later.
That's a common one.
Now, another useful phrase is I plan to.
Yes, I plan to is stronger than I'm thinking about.
Exactly. It shows a more organized decision. For example, I plan to buy a new car.
Or I plan to take English classes next semester.
And when you add details, the sentence becomes even better. I plan to start a part-time job after school.
That sounds professional and confident.
Now, let's try another expression I hope to.
Yes, this one is usually used for dreams or desires.
Right. For example, I hope to visit Paris one day, or I hope to become a doctor in the future.
Those are beautiful hopes.
Thank you, and listeners, what do you hope to do in your future? Think about it for a moment.
Take a deep breath and imagine your future goals.
Wonderful. Now let's also use I might.
Yes, I might is used when we are not very sure.
For example, I might go to the gym tonight, but I'm lazy, ha ha ha.
Or I might join a cooking class, but maybe not, ha ha ha.
I like how honest you are, Jake.
Thank you. Honesty is also a future plan of mine, ha ha ha.
Another very important phrase is I want to.
Yes, that's a strong desire. For example, I want to learn to drive.
Or I want to make new friends.
And you can combine it with the others I want to, but I might not have time.
Exactly.
So let's review. What have we learned so far?
We learned I'm going to, I'm thinking about I will, I plan to, I hope to, I might, and I want to.
Wow, that is a lot already.
Yes, but we are not finished yet.
Really? There is more,
Of course, there are still phrases for making plans with friends.
like let's meet,
Yes, for example, let's meet this weekend.
or how about going to the beach?
Or do you want to watch a movie tomorrow?
Perfect. These phrases help us plan activities with other people.
And soon we will talk about goals like study travel and work plans.
Quite nice. So what about you, Lisa? What is one big goal in your future?
Well, I want to write a book. I hope to publish it one day.
A book, wow, that is awesome.
Thank you. What about you, Jake?
I plan to become a professional English trainer in the future.
That is a fantastic goal, and I am sure you will do it.
Thank you, Lisa. I will work hard.
Great.
So, Lisa, before we continue, let's do a quick recap.
Sure, we talked about many useful expressions to speak about the future, like I'm going to, I will, I plan to, I'm thinking about, I hope to, I want to, and I might.
Yes, and we also used phrases for making plans with friends like, let's meet, how about, and do you want to?
Exactly. And now we will go deeper and talk about different areas of future life, like travel work and personal goals.
Great, let's start with travel goals because everyone loves traveling.
And absolutely. So, Jake, do you have any travel plans?
Yes, I'm going to visit Turkey next year
Amazing. That sounds fun. Why Turkey?
because I want to explore Istanbul and try Turkish food. Ha ha ha.
I hope you enjoy every moment. Turkey is beautiful.
Thank you. What about you, Lisa? Any travel goal?
Yes, I plan to take a world trip one day.
Wow, a world trip? That's a big dream.
Yes, I know I hope to visit at least 10 countries.
That sounds exciting and very brave.
Thank you. And now let's talk about work plans.
Yes, work is important. We spend a lot of our life working.
True. So, what are your future work plans?
Well, I'm thinking about starting my own online business.
Oh, nice. What kind of business?
Maybe an English learning website with courses and fun videos.
That would be perfect. You are already helping so many people learn English.
Thank you. And what about your career plan, Lisa?
I want to continue teaching English and helping people become more confident.
That is wonderful and very kind of you.
Thanks. I might also create my own English podcast soon.
Ha 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 ha, you are already doing that, Lisa. We are here on Everyday English Talk.
Yow. Oh, yes, ha ha ha. We already have a podcast. I will continue growing it then.
And we will reach millions of listeners one day.
I hope so. Yes, positive thinking is a powerful future plan.
True. Now let's talk about personal goals.
Sure, everyone has personal dreams, not just travel or work.
For example, I want to learn to play the guitar.
That is a nice hobby. Music is good for the brain.
Yes, and I plan to practice every weekend.
Great, I might join you and learn piano.
Ha 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 ha, that would be fun. We can make a music band in the future.
Yes, the future English rock band, ha ha ha.
Listeners, you should also think about fun personal plans. What do you want to learn?
Yes, take a moment and imagine your future self. What skills do you want to have?
Maybe you're going to learn cooking or driving or dancing.
Or you're thinking about joining the gym for a healthier life.
Or you might meet new friends and travel together.
It is nice to think about a bright future.
Yes, but sometimes people feel nervous talking about the future because they are not sure.
And that is normal. We don't know what will happen exactly, but planning and dreaming gives us direction.
Yes, if you plan, you are more likely to achieve your goals.
And remember, small steps every day are better than big steps once a year.
Very true, Lisa. I will remember that.
Jake, let's give our listeners a simple formula to talk about future plans.
Great idea.
Here it is. Start with I want to, or I'm going to, or I plan to, then add your goal.
For example, I want to get a good job, I'm going to study hard, I plan to learn new skills.
And to show uncertainty, you can use I might, and I'm thinking about.
Like I'm thinking about joining a sports team or I might move to another city.
Tongue was excellent. So listeners try to make 3 sentences about your future using these structures.
Yes, practice makes perfect.
Now, before we finish, let's have a fun future plan conversation quickly.
Okay, let's do it.
Jake, what is your plan for tomorrow?
I'm going to wake up early and go for a run.
Wow, fitness man, ha ha ha.
Yes, thank you. And what about next month?
I will take a short holiday to relax because I need some fresh air.
Sounds like a good idea, and in 5 years.
I hope to have my own language learning company.
Amazing dream. And what about you in 10 years, Lisa?
I plan to live in a beautiful house with a garden and 2 cats.
Ha ha ha. Why 2 cats?
Because 1 cat would get bored.
That makes sense. Ha ha ha. 2 is better than 1.
And what about you, Jake, in 10 years?
I want to be a famous English coach traveling the world and teaching everywhere.
You will do it, I believe in you.
Thank you, Lisa. I believe in you too.
And we believe in all of you listeners as well.
Yes. You can achieve your goals if you plan work and stay positive.
Exactly. The future is full of opportunities waiting for you.
Okay, Lisa, it is time to wrap up our episode.
Yes, but before we say goodbye, let's review the key expressions one more time.
Sure. Here we go. We used I'm going to, I will, I plan to, I hope to. I'm thinking about, I want to, and I might.
And also we used let's meet. How about do you want to? These help in making plans with friends.
Dear listeners, try to use these in your daily conversations.
Yes, talk with friends, family, or practice by recording your voice.
And never stop learning.
Thank you for joining us today.
We hope you enjoyed this fun lesson about future plans.
Don't forget, like, subscribe, and share.
Yes, support this channel, Everyday English Talk.
See you next time.
Bye, everyone.